Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time screen. So today we have some good news. Today we have good news. The good news is that if you are somebody who likes trading cryptocurrencies, then we will be offering you free trading. There is no rollover fees. What rollover fees means is there is no swap. We will not be charging you swap for holding. Sorry, will not be charging you swap for holding trades overnight. You can get that news here. It was there on 5th of this month. So you can enjoy your tradings. You can enjoy your tradings without you can hold onto trades for as long as this offer is still valid, so overnight, and not being charged any rollover fees. So the items you're supposed to trade include, this is BTC USD, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, and all the others that we have on this list. So the promotion is available for all types of trading accounts which were deposited during the period from this amount of money. The company reserves the right to change the terms and conditions of the promotion. Okay, what this means is this promotion is valid from 5th to 20th, which means if you deposit at least 299 USD in your trading account, irrespective of what trading account it is, whether it is a classic account or ECN account or just any other accounts that we offer, then as long as you deposit this amount of money and you're trading this cryptocurrencies, then will not be charging you any amount to hold trades overnight. So that's the good news. That's the good news that we are having at the moment. I want us today to start our analysis by first indicating the news that we had today, or we are going to be having today. So we're going to have high impact news. That's our focus, and medium impact news. The high impact news that we have, the first one is gross domestic product news. That was there earlier today. The other news is going to happen in some few hours from now. That is BOC rate statement. Then the other one is at the same time BOC interest rate decision. And the other one is gross domestic product. This will happen almost close to midnight. So if you are trading, it is better you take into account that we still have 3 high impact news to be released. So those are the news you're supposed to focus on. They're the main ones. Then the medium impact news that you're going to have, give it just a minute for it to update. So the medium impact news that you're going to have, there are many. We've already had some release, so we're not going to focus on the one which has already been released. We have one just close to midnight. It is the gross domestic product annualized, and that should happen at 2350. That is GMT plus 0. Then another one is 2350 current account NSA. So these are the low impact news that we are yet to release to receive today. The others, the one at the top, I think even gross goods and services trade balance, this has not been released. International merchandise trade, this has not been released. The others has been released. So just bear in mind that these are the news that we still expect to be released by the end of today. So we'll start analysis. This has been in a very good downtrend. As you can see, the price has been bearish. We've seen price continue to move to the lower side. I'm just going to add the zigzag indicator just for proper analysis. So the zigzag indicator, we are using it to identify our stop losses, potential entry places. So you can see it shows here that we've had a very good downtrend. We had this low, we had a high, a lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high, and the price is now within those two levels. So if the price can break and close above this line, if the price can break and close above that line, then that will be a sign that we may see the price extend to the upper side. We may see the price break and close above this line. So when the price breaks above this line, we want to see a retracement back towards the same level, to mean that we're now possibly expecting that the price will continue upwards towards this level here. So expect a break, a retracement, and then a continuation to the upper side, at least up to 1.0911. That is what we expect to be happening on this chart, 348. Then that will be a good sign that the price may likely continue to the lower side, at least up to this level here. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next chart I want us to have a look at, GBP USD, and nothing much appears to be happening on this chart, but we do have a very good support here. We have a very good resistance here. This is like a range where, as long as the price does not break above this range or does not break below this range, we'll be expecting a sell from this line and a buy from this line here. So if the price moves and touches this level, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price goes down and touches this lower line, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far this is upwards. We have a very good resistance level here, 140.922. If the price should go up and close above this line, then that will be a good. That will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So we'll wait for price to break above this line, retrace back, then continue to the upper side. The next chart, Brent oil. Brent oil, so far we are having a very good resistance level. There, and we also have another good support, which means that as long as the price does not break and close above these two lines, that will be a good place to look for a sell from. As long as the price does not break below these two lines, this will be a good place to look for a buy from. If the price ascends and closes above this upper line, it will be a sign that we are now continuing upwards towards this level, 82.9844. When that level is broken, expect the price to continue upwards towards 87.065. When the price breaks below this point, expect it to continue downwards. If the price breaks above this upper line, expect it to continue upwards towards the next level, which is 82.844. The next chart is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is where we have the good news, where if you, as long as you're holding a trade overnight, we won't be charging you anything. That's the good news. And it does not go your way by the end of today, don't worry about the rollover fees, because that has been covered. So on this chart, we expect the price to move up at least up to this level. This is 28.41.7.65. The price does not break and close above this line, then this should be a good place to look for a sell from. These two lines is a good place to look for a buy from. The next chart is gold. Gold, so far we are having very good. This is not only a support, it is also a resistance. I'm saying it's support because we had a support in the past. We had a support, there is a break below, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. As long as the price does not break and close above this line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We will be expecting the sellers to push price downwards at least up to 1859.20. The next target is this one here. So that should bring us to the end of this analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.